How to add non-Steam games to your Steam library. So let's open up the library just so you can see the game list I have. From here, either go to add game and add a non-Steam game, or simply on the top left corner go to games and add a non-Steam game to my library. You can choose either one of those and this tab will pop up. Now here, as you can see, Steam automatically opened up every single program that it considers it to be a game or just a program that you can run through Steam. Now here there's a lot of programs, but let's just say that the game that you want to run is not in here. Most of these are from the disk C. What you want to do is go to browse this PC and go to the disk where your game is located. Go to your game and select it. Here. I've selected Need for Speed Carbon. As you can see, it's on disk E. Here I can click Add Selected Programs. Click on Need for Speed Carbon, and from here I can play the game. But as you can see, it doesn't really look pretty because, of course, it's not native to Steam. It's not a Steam game. And there you go. That's how to add a non-Steam game to Steam.